Hello guys, welcome to Nanyo's Music Studio and you are watching our 51st live stream music recital. So today you will be witnessing music performances from my piano and voice students. And now we have our special collaborator and music recitalist from Riyadh. Hello Gwyn, how are you?
Good.
You're good. All right. So please welcome once again, Gwyn.
Hello everyone. My name is Gwen Beatrix De Leon, a student at Nanyo's Music Studio. I am from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Special shout out to my parents, Dad Randolph and Mom Glenna, to our family and friends all over the world. Please enjoy the show.
All right, let's give a hand to Gwen. So she's doing a great job. Thank you so much, Gwen, for that wonderful performance. And now, Teacher Nice will make magic, okay? The first magic is the awarding of certificate. Okay, let's give a hand to Gwen. So may I read the content? Certificate of Achievement. So this certificate is proudly presented to Gwen Beatrix M. De Leon for having successfully completed the Piano Adventures Level 2B, Sight Reading, Theory, Lesson, Technique and Artistry, and Performance. And Gwen has, may I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gwen has 8 stars. Let's give a hand to Gwen. That's awesome. And Gwen is one of the longest lasting student. She is actually on the top of our pyramid. So she is surviving in the lessons of Nanyos Music Studio. And of course, for dynamic and active participation in this 51st season's live stream music recital. Can you believe it? Gwen is now performing live. It's not recorded. It's live, guys. And this certificate is given this 22nd day of March 2025 at Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed, Edna L. Nanyos, MACD DS, LPT. And yours truly, Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr., MBA, LPT. And now, this is the magic. I will send this certificate to Gwen. There you have it, guys. So, courtesy of our logistics team, okay? Ang bilis, ano? So, saan kayo makakita ng logistics team na mabilis? In split second from Jeddah to Riyadh? Okay, yung certificate nasa kamay na ni Gwen, alright? So, thank you so much. And we will now proceed to the second certificate, guys. Here it is. So, this is coming from Piano Adventures Exams. So, here at Nanyos Music Studio po, all our students are undertaking 2 examinations. The first one is the theory exams, and the second one is the performance exams conducted by Piano Adventures. So, let me present and read the content. Piano Adventures exams, Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, is this hereby certifies that Gwen Beatrix is officially awarded the Level 1 exam certificate for excellence in theory dated 20th of February 2025 from Faber Piano Adventures. Signed, the owners of Piano Adventures, Nancy Faber and Randall Faber, and of course, teacher Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr. And again, I will award this certificate to Gwen via our logistics team in a split second. There you go, guys. So this is really awesome. You're all right? So this is really awesome. This is magical. So Gwen has her certificate. Congratulations, Gwen. And now, I want to invite the parents to be at the back of Gwen. So Mommy Glenna and Daddy Windolf, can you be at the back? Kaya po ba? So that we will have a screenshot ng ating awarding yan. So yan. Okay, kaya. Alright. Kaya si Daddy rin. Sama natin si Daddy. So these are the inspirations of Gwen to go on with the piano lessons. Thank you so much po for this collab. This is once in a lifetime experience, and Gwen is experiencing a lesson coming from the Piano Adventures, which is so wonderful. So si Daddy can join us, right? Kaya?
We'll try.
Alright, sineset up pa niya yung camera. Sige lang, okay lang yan. Oops. Alright. So shout out muna natin yung mga nasa sa screen natin sa habang si Daddy ay nag-set up pa. Alright. So bravo, congratulations Queen from Mommy Ruth. Thank you so much po. So next up is Fia, stand by. Alright. Ayan, si Daddy andyan na. Okay, shout out natin. And let's have a screenshot muna from the beautiful family from Riyadh. Okay, let's smile on 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's it. Congratulations po. Thank you so much, Daddy Windolf and Mommy Glenna. And of course, it will not be possible without the support of you too, guys. So Gwen is inspired to go on with her wonderful journey to Piano Adventures. Ituloy natin yung mga shoutout. We have 18 million in the house. 18 million, guys. All right. So sabi ni Willain De Leon, wow, good job, Gwen. Amazing. Thank you so much po. And we have here who's this? Ash Crimson. Galing naman, pretty daughter ko. Okay. And she kinda si Tito nanonood. Tito Ash watching. Alright? Ash Crimson. And go, Besalel, Tito Ash loves you. Good luck. And Marilu Loyola. Congratulations, Gwyn. Galing-galing naman. Alright. And then, who else here? Teacher Nice. Okay. And we have Kim Mantala. Go, Gwyn. All right, and Pinoy Vlog 418, very nice. Thank you so much po for tuning in, Pinoy Vlog 418. So we have, of course, Daddy Window, kay Go Gwyn, and of course, Mommy Glenna Mantala. All right, guys, we will be ending this live stream, but of course, the output of Gwyn will be there for YouTube, okay, to leave on, and we can have the playback of this live stream later on. And we thank you for your wonderful presence in our online platform, the YouTube. Thank you for your support. And then stay tuned for our next performer. Don't go away. Gwyn, thank you so much. God bless you. And see you on our next season. God bless you guys. God bless you. Bye-bye.